All right, let's see if it works.
Voters either go to Bernie or don't show up at all, because Yang's people are really sort of the dispossessed.
Sit down and explain the whole blueprint to him.
If we want to know God's voice and we want to obey,
promise might go down, but you're also going to pay your mortgage balance down. And as time progresses, historically speaking, home values have increased. There are times when it dips down, but historically, it may dip down, but it continues to climb up. It may dip down, it continues to climb, right? You can't promise what's going to happen with the housing market, but you get the point. Don't let the down payment money stop you from buying a home. So that's called the Home Advantage Program. The state of North Carolina can give you up to $8,000. And you say, Chris, how do I get that money? How do I get this program? All you got to do is text me or call me, right? Or go out to my website. My phone number is